everyone, today I'm going to show you how to watercolor paint a magic mushroom. First, we'll draw a basic mushroom shape. And then lightly erase. I added light blue watercolor for the sky. Then I added green to the bottom and blended them together. I made small lines with my brush for grass. And then I used an opaque white watercolor for the clouds. For the stalk of the mushroom, I used light beige paint. I made this color by mixing a light brown and an opaque white watercolor. I painted the top of the mushroom red. Then added some depth with a darker red. Once it was dry, I added more grass. I painted the bottom of the mushroom white and added highlights to the stalk. And then using that same opaque white, I made the dots on top of the mushroom. Once that was dry, I went back over everything with white once more. I added a shadow outline to the side of the stalk. And then just added some finishing touches. Using white, yellow, and gold paint, I added stars and dots around the mushroom. And that's it! Now you have a watercolor magic mushroom. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day.